The 2024 Mazda CX-3 price and specs. It's still the best-selling car in its segment, but Mazda's CX-3 has a much smaller range for 2024 plus a higher base price. Mazda's slimmed-down CX-3 range arrives in showrooms in September. Gone are the old manual transmission and all-wheel drive options, with the range pared down from 6 trim levels and 13 variants in total to just 5 different variants. All CX-3 models now have wireless Apple CarPlay, along with wired Android Auto, power-folding exterior mirrors and remote window control. With no price leader manual version anymore, the CX-3's base price shoots up by $3,290 to $26,800 before on-road costs for the new Sport. Replacing the Neo Sport, it's $1,290 pricier than the outgoing trim level when equipped with an auto. Mazda has added plenty of kit to justify the hike, however, with the Sport gaining 16-inch alloy wheels, replacing 16-inch steel wheels, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The new Pure trim replaces the Max Sport, and adds LED headlights and tail lights with automatic high beam, along with lane departure warning, driver attention alert and a head-up display. The Evolve replaces the Max Sport LE and swaps 16-inch alloys for 18s with a machined finish, while also gaining front parking sensors. White leatherette and tan suede upholstery features in its cabin. The Touring SP replaces the Touring and features various cosmetic enhancements, including 18-inch black machined alloy wheels, a black painted roof, a black chrome wing, and a gloss black front grille. Inside, it features black leather and Grand Luxe suede upholstery with blue highlights. Also standard are heated front seats, a 10-way power driver's seat with memory and adaptive cruise control with stop or go. The Akari is the only nameplate to carry over with the updated model, but it hasn't been left untouched. It gains a 7-speaker Bose sound system and 18-inch black machined alloy wheels, though it costs $810 more. Aero Gray paint joins the palette, which consists of Soul Red Crystal, Machine Gray, Polymetal Gray and Platinum Quartz Metallic and Jet Black and Snowflake White Pearl Mica finishes. The Touring SP is only offered in Aero Gray, Platinum Quartz, Polymetal Gray and Soul Red Crystal, all with a black roof. Pricing: 2024 Mazda CX-3 G20 Sport, $26,800. 2024 Mazda CX-3 G20 Pure, $29,300. 2024 Mazda CX-3 G20 Evolve, $31,050. 2024 Mazda CX-3 G20 Touring SP, $34,300. 2024 Mazda CX-3 G20 Akari, $38,620. All prices exclude on-road costs. Drivetrains. The 2024 Mazda CX-3 is powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, developing 110 kilowatts of power at 6,000 rpm and 195 Nm of torque at 2,800 rpm. It's now available exclusively with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All models have idle stop/start technology. Efficiency. The 2024 Mazda CX-3 uses 6.3 L/100 km on the combined cycle. It runs on 91 RON regular unleaded fuel and has a 48 L fuel tank. Dimensions. The 2024 Mazda CX-3 measures in at 4,275 mm long, 1,765 mm wide, excluding the mirrors, and 1,535 mm tall, and rides a 2,570 mm wheelbase. Luggage capacity is rated at 264 L with all 5 seats in place, expanding to 1174 L with the second row folded. Braked towing capacity is 1,200 kilograms for all models. Servicing and warranty. The Mazda CX-3 is backed by a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty. Servicing is required every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers. The first 5 services are capped at $334, $526, $412, $526, and $334. Safety. The Mazda CX-3 is currently unrated by Safety Authority ANCAP, as its 5-star rating from 2015 has now expired. All 2024 Mazda CX-3 models come standard with the following safety equipment: City Autonomous Emergency Braking, forward and reverse. Blind spot monitoring. Rear cross-traffic alert. Front side and curtain airbags. Reversing camera. Rear parking sensors. Pure and above get. Driver attention alert. Lane departure warning. Evolve and above also get front parking sensors, while Touring SP and up get adaptive cruise control with stop or go. AEB with pedestrian and cyclist detection, higher speeds, includes forward collision warning. Traffic sign recognition. Standard equipment. There are 5 trim levels in the 2024 CX-3 range. The base Sport comes standard with the following equipment: 16-inch alloy wheels. Power folding exterior mirrors. 8.0-inch infotainment screen. Wired Android Auto. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay. 6-speaker sound system. DAB+ digital radio. Tilt and telescopic steering column adjustment. Cloth upholstery. Electric parking brake with auto hold. Keyless start. Air conditioning. Cruise control. Power windows. 1x12V outlet. The Pure adds rain sensing wipers. Automatic LED headlights. Automatic high beam. LED daytime running lights. Head-up display. Satellite navigation. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. Climate control air conditioning. Auto-dimming rear-view mirror. The Evolve adds 18-inch alloy wheels. Maztex leatherette/Grand Luxe synthetic suede upholstery. The Touring SP adds heated power folding exterior mirrors. LED front fog lights. LED tail lights. Heated front seats. Leather/Grand Luxe synthetic suede upholstery. Power driver's seat with lumbar adjustment. Keyless entry. The Akari adds single pane sunroof. Adaptive LED headlights. Leather upholstery. 7-speaker Bose sound system. 360-degree camera. The following exterior finishes are no-cost options: Snowflake white pearl mica. Jet black mica. Platinum quartz metallic. Aero gray metallic. The following cost an extra $595. Machine gray metallic. Polymetal gray metallic. Soul red crystal metallic. The Touring SP is only available in the following finishes: Platinum quartz with black roof, no cost option. Aero gray with black roof, no cost option. Soul red crystal with black roof, $595. Polymetal gray with black roof, $595.